Is that from Mom and Pop Pop?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you need help opening it? You're getting it. You're getting it. Go ahead, rip it all. Rip it.
Mommy.
Want me to help you? It's okay. Here, get your finger in here. Oh, it's a card in a card. Jeez.
No.
Oh, it's a trick. I didn't realize that. Hold on.
No.
No, you don't want help? This might take a little while. This one might be for Valentine's Day. Want me to help? Here. I'll help. It's a little sticky. There you go. Rip it open. What's in there? You want me to help? Here. Oh, look at that. That green stuff is valuable. I'll hold on to that for you. Say thank you.
That's it, Mommy.
Thank you, Mama and Papa.
That's it, Mommy.
It's my mom and Papa.
No, that's it, Mommy. Mommy, that's it, Mommy.
Oh, you're thanking me? You're welcome.
A Minnie.
Is it Minnie?
Yeah.
What's it say? Happy
Minnie.
Valentine's Day, granddaughter. Can you say thank you, Mama and Papa? I love you.
Minnie. That's it, Daddy. That's it, Mama.
And Papa?
That's it, Mommy.
And Papa.
No, Papa.
No?
Okay. You.